All right, everybody, I got a little case that we can look at today. I got this from Banggood. I can't remember exactly how much it costs. I'm pretty sure it was less than 10 bucks, but I can't be positive. Might have been 10, 12, 14. I don't know, somewhere around in there. I'll put a link in the description below, but this is a case for the ferry drone. As you can see, the controllers, that's where the controller goes. I just didn't feel like taking it out of there. But this goes to show that even a turd needs a place to sleep. Okay, so we know how the ferry is. They still haven't fixed it. Not to my knowledge. Here's the prop guards that I'll never use. And they actually go, no, I can't even get them apart. They go in here in the prop guard holding area, which they'll be in there forever because after this video I'll never remove them out of there again. Then you have a spot here for the charger, which slides right in there. Then you have a slot for the battery, which slides right in there. And you have a slot there for another battery, plus the battery that's in the quadcopter, which is in there still, and the quadcopter just fits right in there like that. It's a very nice case. Then you can put your little micro SD card there, but you could actually probably put another battery in there too if you wanted to. So actually you have room in here for 4 batteries, one in the quadcopter and 3 spare compartments, but I just use that compartment for that cord. I have the 2 battery version. That's the one I got from Slide Ad, so I have the two battery one. And then here's the manual right here and the spare little hubs there. I don't have any props. I don't have any spare props. I don't think they came with them. With Slide Dad, this was his GoFundMe version. You know, he was one of the first guys to have it, but he never messed with it, so he just sold it to me. But but that's it. You just put the stuff in there, close the door, and zip it up. And that's it. There you go. A case for a turd. And it's got a little handle on it, which is nice. So yeah, it's a nice case, you know. So now I can throw that box away. Yay. All right, guys, there you go. I'll put a link in there if you want to go take a look at it. Thanks.